Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle hand fan. First, gather your essential materials. You will need 2 pieces of sturdy cardstock, a pair of sharp scissors, and a strong adhesive like craft glue or a glue stick. Don't forget a sturdy stick or handle, perhaps a craft stick or a thin dowel, to serve as the fan's base. Finally, select any decorative elements you wish to use, such as colorful markers, ribbons, or glitter, to personalize your creation. Now, let's prepare the fan's circular base. Take your cardstock and draw 2 identical circles. Each circle should have a diameter of approximately 8 inches. Carefully cut out both circular shapes using your scissors, ensuring smooth, clean edges. Once cut, fold each circle precisely in half, creating a distinct crease down the middle. These 2 folded halves will form the main body of your elegant hand fan. Next, we will assemble the fan. Apply a generous amount of strong adhesive to 1/2 of a folded circle, covering the entire surface. Carefully press the second folded circle firmly onto the glued half, making sure to align the creases perfectly. Before the adhesive sets, insert your chosen stick or handle about 1 inch deep between the 2 glued halves. Hold it in place for a few moments to ensure a secure bond. Finally, it's time for the fun part, decorating and adding finishing touches. Use your markers, paint, or glitter to decorate both sides of your fan, expressing your unique style. You can also attach ribbons or tassels to the handle for an extra touch of flair and elegance. Once decorated, allow the adhesive to dry completely for at least 30 minutes or even an hour to ensure your fan is sturdy and ready for use. Enjoy your beautiful, handmade circle fan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.